On the 9th of February 2019, I went into Z Ward, which was the home for the criminally insane. I was preparing for our guests to arrive that night. As my backup went outside to greet our guests, and I was about to join them, I heard footsteps upstairs. Okay, so I'm sneaking up here because I can hear somebody walking around. At the same time, the Rem-pod started to activate. Now the Rem-pod's going off. Almost like somebody walking around, guys. On listening back, I could hear the knocks, but I also hear what appears to be a male whispery voice. In this case, was it an E.V.P? Or could it have just been sounds blending in? I'll post later what I think it says. I can only catch one word though. Audio pareidolia? Or something? Let me know your thoughts.